I'm super excited to meet you at my channel, my friend. My name is Leonard Madzi, and today I'm excited to present to you 10 websites that you can use to make at least $100 every day working from home. My most preferred websites are towards the end of this presentation, so I would urge you to stick with me. Right, before we go on, my friend, let me just remind you that my channel is all about making money. I make videos that show people how to make money leveraging the power of the internet. If you are looking for a way of harnessing the power of the internet to make money, then my friend, you are watching the correct channel at the right time. So click that subscribe button and that notification bell so that you don't miss any broadcast from this channel. Without wasting any time, my friend, let me take you to our first website. The first website is Amazon Associates. Amazon is now one of the biggest affiliate networks in the whole world. Welcome to one of the largest affiliate marketing programs in the world. The Amazon Associate program helps content creators, publishers, and bloggers monetize their traffic. You sign up right there, and signing up is free, okay? And then you earn 12% in affiliate fees, right? You are coming here as an affiliate. An affiliate is just an agent. You are a go-in-between, right? You are a rep. You know products that you can recommend to your friends or to your audience. And as you link the product and your audience, then you are going to get 12% commission for every sale. You can check the frequently asked questions right here. How does affiliate program work? And how do I qualify for this program? How do I earn in this program? All right, you can learn more. The next website we are looking at is called GearBest. It's trying to compete with Amazon, but it still has a lot of homework to do to catch up with Amazon. But the beautiful thing about GearBest is that you get 50% commission. Amazon, you remember, it gives you up to 12%. If you scroll down to the bottom of the screen, you find that it says associate programs right there. You click it, and then it gives you the information. Unlimited earning potential, up to 50% commission, and free Excelsior review products provided for all associates. It's easy and 100% free. 110,000 what products to advertise to your customers. Our next program is called Kindle Direct Publishing. Publish business and investing books for free using Kindle Direct Publishing. Our next website, which you're going to look at, is called Upwork. Upwork is a freelance website. You come here as a freelancer. Say you know web development, mobile development, design, writing, admin support, customer service, marketing, accounting, right? You can come here as a freelancer and start to sell your services. This website is well known. You sign up right here for free, and then you create a portfolio, right, in your most preferred niche or category, right? And then you wait. So Upwork is already known. You are riding on its influence to get customers. Trusted by 5 million plus brands. Top 10 trending freelancers. Photoshop expert, graphic designer, photo editor and illustrator, right? $5 per hour. So it will be you here, and you can charge $5 per hour. Look at this one. He's charging $50 per hour. That one, $12 per hour. So you can find yourself among these freelancers. Our next website is called Digistore24. This is a digital affiliate network. For the niches are on this side. right? Fitness and health, family and kids, education, email marketing, internet marketing, and e-business, right? So you choose whatever you want to market the products from here. Our next website is called Amazon Handmade. Reach millions of customers with Amazon Handmade. At Amazon, we obsess over customers and their desire for a trusted destination for handcrafted goods. So this website is for handcrafted goods. If you are handcrafting something, right, as a hobby, you can have exposure through this website and market and sell your products, your handcrafted products. So on this website, you are called an artisan. We have an artisan application and audit process to ensure we are building a shop of genuinely handcrafted goods. No hidden fees. Joining Handmade, creating your shop. So you create your shop like Etsy. You list your products for free. And when you make a sale, Handmade will deduct 12% and you pocket the rest. Let Amazon ship your orders with FBA so you can focus on creating your products. The next website is Text Broker. If you are a writer, you can convert your writing into cash. You come to Text Broker and you click where it says, I write content. With Text Broker, being a content writer pays off. Text Broker grants you free access to thousands of orders to help you convert your writing talents to cash, right? So you click that button to register for free. And these are the brands that use this website. Earn your money being a content writer. If your passion is writing, you have come to the right place. They give you also some writing resources. And you can also utilize the Google Docs, right? You can use speech-to-text tools that you can find for free. Our next website is called Google AdSense. We value your content. Creating content takes time. Making it profitable shouldn't. Earn money from your site. So if you've got a blog, you can start to make money from Google AdSense. So what you do is you make sure that your website, your blog, your hub is optimized properly and everything is okay. And you can enable your website to get some adverts. And then as people are visiting your website and they click the adverts, then you start to make money through Google AdSense. See how much you could earn from AdSense. And this also applies to YouTube. You can create YouTube videos that you can monetize. You allow YouTube to throw adverts on your YouTube videos. That can only happen when you have at least 1,000 subscribers on your channel and you've got a watch hour of at least 4,000 hours. See how much you could earn from AdSense. Your site visitors, location, and content category is set as, right, Europe, Middle East, and Africa, right? So if your monthly page views is 50,000 and you're doing, say, music video, right? Your potential annual revenue, this is an estimate and should be only used as a reference, right? You could earn $3,000 annually when you've got 50,000 views, right? With your music video. Let's talk it up. If you've got 1 million plus views, monthly page views of 1 million, your potential annual revenue is $72,000. Right? Let's take it further. Right? Change the category. Say you are in North America, right? And you are doing beauty and fitness, right? You calculate. Look at that, my friend. That beauty and fitness and your location as North America, 50,000 views per month. Your annual income is projected to 6,000. Okay, right? So if you've got 1 million views like some of the boys whom you see, monthly page view of 1 million will give you an annual income of $117,000. You can see the potential right here, my friend, that you can make over $100,000 by just creating a video that goes viral, or by building a blog, a hub, by building a YouTube channel. Okay? And you get 1 million views per month, will give you over $100,000 every year. This is our next website, my friend. It's called Legendary Marketer. Right? Like I told you, you see, my most preferred websites are towards the end. I'm in this program myself and I recommend it to people, okay? And this is a high ticket affiliate program. This is the entry point. As you come into the company, you go through 15 lessons. And by the 15th lesson, you'll be ready to make money. Here, you make commissions of $1,000, commissions of $3,000, and so forth. So for you to make $100,000 with $1,000 commission product, you find that you just need 10 sales, 10 people, right? For you to make $1 million with $1,000 product from Legendary Marketer, you need 1,000 people buying this product through your link. So you find that with high ticket programs, you can make massive amounts of money. The good thing is that they teach you, they give you the resources on what to do. My last program, my friend, is called 4%. Most of my skills came from this program, all right? I didn't know what I was doing. I was just like shooting in the dark, right? And making sporadic sales here and there, no system in place, right? I highly recommend this one. Like I told you, these are my #1 recommendations, okay? Right? You can get a bonus right there, free gift by joining this one. You get the mass traffic blueprint. Let me just log in and I'll show you a bit of what is inside. So this is what you see when you are inside the program, okay? Right? And you've got the mass traffic blueprint. If there are no customers coming to your shop, you have no business to talk about. So here you are taught how to drive thousands, hundreds of thousands of visitors to your website. This is a must-have program. Then you've got the Internet Traffic Academy. This one you're taught step by step what to do, the practicals. Shown the website, click here, click there, do this, do that. For the Internet Traffic Academy, you get the traffic, list building, communication copywriting mastery, right? Conversion mastery, tribe building, internet traffic exclusive live streams. All right, so these are the components of the Internet Traffic Academy, right? So you are taught step by step on what to do, how to get the traffic, how to build your list, how to write a good ad, copywriting, communication. Once you get your list, you need to know how to communicate with the list and how to do conversion, right? Once you get the customers and you've got your list, you need to know how to convert the list into money, how to build your tribe of faithful followers. So these are the 10 websites, my friend, that you can use to make money online, making at least $100 every day. Actually, when you implement, you will follow one or two of the programs that are here, right? Especially the ones that I said, my #1 recommendations. Those ones, they'll give you much more than $100 per day. If you found value in this video, let me know in the comments. Otherwise, we'll see each other in the next videos. Bye for now.